Now I'm going to show how to open the various sheds. Right now, I've just got it under tension. I want to open what's called the natural shed. I put my fingers in front of the shed rod, and with enough tension, I separate my fingers, and we get the space opened up. We pull the heddles forward, keep the finger in there, and there we have what's called the natural shed, with the threads from the top coming straight over, threads from the bottom coming straight back. To open the alternate shed, we use the heddle rod and the heddles. We take, again, sufficient tension on the warp. We pull up the heddle rod. We press down in between the shed rod and the heddle rod. Press down, and you see you get this triangle. You put your finger in there, and that is your alternate shed. Again, pull the heddles forward, and you have the other shed opened up. So that's how you open the two. Now to open the natural shed again, we pull the heddles a little bit forward, put our fingers in front of the shed rod, separate your fingers, pull the heddles back a little, do it again, and you see it opens up. Put your finger in there to keep it. You move your heddles forward, and that is your natural shed. Again, to open the alternate shed, we want the threads, the ends that are attached to the heddles, to be on top. So again, we pull the heddles up, we push down in front of the shed rod, and we get the alternate shed, as you can see right there. And again, pull the heddles forward, and we have the shed that we need. That's how we open the two different sheds.